Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix how to fix Instagram black screen problem. To know how to fix Instagram black screen problem on your phone, you should just go to settings. As you see, we click. After that, in this page you will go to apps here and you will go to apps. Then you will find here Instagram. You will go down to find Instagram and you will click here. When you will find this page, you will go to force stop, and after you click force stop, you will go to storage and you will click, and here in this page you will click clear cache, and after that you will click clear data, and then you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.